Sadly, there's currently no camper beside our house to work on, but that means we finally have time to renovate the garage. It's a mess. There is actually some organization hidden beneath all that rubble, but ultimately this is stunting creativity and isn't what we want to walk into when we come home. The garage remodel is about to begin. We're going to create a proper workshop area back there, and we're going to put up some slat wall over here, which will not only provide style, but organization for all these bikes, snowboards, scooters, skateboards, baseball stuff, helmets, etc. We're making some progress, aren't we, Cohen?
Yeah.
Not a bad start. It's hard to imagine, but this is progress. I'm trying to get everything out of here, get rid of stuff we don't need, organize the things that we do need, and then we'll put some insulation and pegboard on the walls. We'll prime the existing drywall and get it painted. And then we're gonna wash, etch, prime, paint, and poly these floors. However, at the moment it looks and feels like a disaster. Part of getting the garage clean is getting the garden tools out of the garage and organizing this little shed so that everything will fit in it. More puzzles. Not bad. The garage renovation continues, but this pegboard is finished. Cohen is painting the ball rack black. The slat wall is pretty much complete. We just have this little section over here to do yet. And the shop area is starting to shape up. We built some lumber racks for organization and to free up floor space. The front yard is not pretty. But look at all this space in the garage. You could park 3 cars in here if you wanted to. It's enormous. We're just cleaning the floors off, then we'll etch them and get some paint on them. The kids really wanted to help on this part of the project. Why are you up so early? We tried to get the kids up to see a couple of sunrises during the summer. We're not, however, sure they appreciate getting up early.
Do something cute, guys.
No.
Do something really cute. Oh, that's cute, Coven.
That you don't. That's
Oh,
cute.
that's
that you
so
don't want to be cute.
The garage renovation is continuing. We're building some custom benches now for the shop area. And a second coat of concrete paint is drying. We hope to get a coat of poly on the floors before long. It's all coming along nicely. While the wall paint dries in the garage, we're going to continue with the workbenches. We built some boxes, and now we need to add some legs. The kids love power tools. The garage renovation and organization project has been huge for us. Everything now has a place, which means things get put away and are easily found when we need them. These afters were actually shot a few months after the project was completed, so the floors have been thoroughly broken in by skateboards and scooters. Ultimately, the garage went from a place that we just wanted to close our eyes and rush through on our way into the house and has become a place where we now choose to spend quite a bit of time. It's a creative space for projects, and with the addition of the benches and TV, it's also a place to hang out.
You think it is a nice goblin?
You guys are literally gonna kill me. What type of accent is that? Like, it's a real nice one.
It's a Borat. I'm a Borat, eh, yes?
You like it?